Welcome back into 13 News this morning. We're joined today with Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission, and I hope you have a game night planned because we have the perfect recipe for you. It's super quick and yummy. What are we making, Charlene?
Well, I'm excited about this because I figured families probably got games and all kinds of activities over Christmas. Or if you're watching a football game, we've got snacks that'll be ready for the family to spend some time together. I've got 10 cups of popped popcorn in here. And then, Jared, you are going to add the bacon.
Yeah, bacon. Hello.
And what I did, it's 2 strips of bacon, but then I cut it into like just little strips. That way it'll be easier to find when you're getting it together.
I'm going to need more bacon than 2 strips, but okay. That's what we'll do when I do it.
And then we have 1/4 cup of grated cheddar cheese. And you could use whatever kind of cheese is your favorite, but we're using the cheddar. And then
I'm going to Stumpy's to get my cheese to put in there.
All right, that sounds great. And then Rainey, you have margarine here, which is our soy ingredient that I've melded. And here, I'm going to let you put that down there, and you're going to stir this together. I'll add it for you.
Okay.
You've got a spoon there, and we've got smoked paprika and a little salt. So you stir that together for our seasoning, and then we're just going to drizzle that over it. The other step that I'd like to do, if you have a glass bowl, a microwave-safe bowl, put this in the microwave for just about 30 seconds after we get done here, and it'll kind of melt the cheese.
Oh, that looks good,
and it'll heat that bacon back up. Okay, go ahead. Put that over there. Good job. And like with all of our recipes, you could use a little bit more of the smoked paprika, but look at that. This is so yummy. And with the bacon in there, and Jared, we could add more bacon.
I don't have any to add, but I will when I make it.
And we talked about that most of the soybeans that we have here in the state of Kansas are used to feed livestock.
Yeah, I didn't know that they feed livestock soybeans. This is so good.
I like the little paprika.
I do too.
They can go to our website at kansassoybeans.org. We have all kinds of recipes this month for game night and family activities.
And it's so easy because if you have a large amount of people coming over, you can always make a new batch, more and more. And it's so easy. It takes no time at all.
That's right. Easy does it.
Charlene, thank you so much for joining us. And we'll be right back after this.